Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that helps users track and manage their subscriptions, bills, and other recurring expenses. To get started with Rocket Money subscription management, first create an account and link your bank accounts and credit cards to the platform. This allows Rocket Money to access your transaction data and identify your subscriptions. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will categorize your transactions and identify your recurring subscriptions, including streaming services, software subscriptions, and membership fees. You can then view a list of all your subscriptions in one place, making it easy to see where your money is going. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to negotiate bills and fees on your behalf. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze your usage and negotiate with service providers to lower your bills. For example, if you have a subscription to a streaming service that you rarely use, Rocket Money can help you cancel or downgrade your plan to save money. Another important feature of Rocket Money is its budgeting tool. The platform allows you to set a budget for each of your subscriptions and receive alerts when you go over budget. This helps you stay on top of your expenses and make informed decisions about how to allocate your money. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review your subscriptions and update your account information. This ensures that your subscription list is accurate and up to date, and that you are taking advantage of all the features the platform has to offer. Best practices for using Rocket Money include regularly monitoring your subscriptions, canceling unused subscriptions, and negotiating bills and fees whenever possible. By following these best practices, you can use Rocket Money to save money, reduce financial stress, and take control of your personal finances. Overall, Rocket Money is a powerful tool for managing subscriptions and staying on top of your finances. And by using it effectively, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind.